Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your laptop OS and opening the built-in recorder or installed app. You must grant screen recording and microphone permissions now so Capture works. Once done, set resolution and frame rate to match your target, 30 or 60 FPS and 1080p, for example. Make sure to close unnecessary apps and mute notifications to avoid interruptions. You'll also confirm microphone input and set levels so audio is clear without clipping before you begin. Now you configure the recording details. Pick full screen, a single window, or draw a custom region depending on your goal. You should enable system audio to capture app sounds and enable the mic or webcam overlay if you want narration or facecam. Then set bitrate and FPS to balance quality and file size. Higher bitrates yield clearer video but larger files. Choose MP4 or MOV for compatibility, and set an output folder with plenty of free space before you hit record. Begin recording and narrate with clear, varied pacing. Use pause or marker features to simplify editing later. Once finished, stop the capture and immediately preview the file to confirm audio and video synced correctly. Then export or save using your chosen codec and quality settings, and move the file to a permanent folder. If you experience dropped frames or lag, lower resolution or frame rate, reduce bitrate, and close CPU-heavy background apps, this fixes most performance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.